This is how you can personalize your mind maps. Ayoa's intuitive interface and full customization options can help you tackle any project. You can personalize your mind maps by changing your branch styles or colors, adding pictures, and even choosing the perfect mind map theme to match your style. You can start by adjusting the branch thickness in your mind map. Open the Display Options menu at the top right of your map, then find the Branch Thickness slider. Simply move the slider to adjust the thickness of your branches. Ayoa offers different styles of branches you can draw. Go to the Branch Draw Tools menu and select your favourite style. From boxes to the classic branch style, and even Freehand, which lets you draw branches just like you would on a piece of paper. You can also use the Auto Inherit option, so your new branches can inherit the style of any parent branch. Editing your branches is also intuitive. Simply double-click on your branch or click the brush icon to open the Style menu, where you can change the shape of the box, along with the colours and also the font of the text. You can also change your mind map theme settings to fully match your preference. From the Display menu, select Map Theme. Here you can change the fonts across your branches and the branch colours. Furthermore, you can change the background colour of your map as you work on your project. To make your mind maps even more visual, you can add pictures. If you want to add a picture to your branch, click on your branch, then click on the plus button in the toolbar. Here you can search for a royalty-free image or upload your own. Once you uploaded your image, you can play around with the layout options in the branch box. If you want to add images anywhere on your mind map without attaching them to a branch, make sure you haven't selected any branches and simply add the image from the menu. You can also right-click anywhere on your map, click on Add and then Floating Image to add your pictures faster.